In this guide, we'll break down the factors that affect the iCloud backup time and share some helpful tips to make the backup process faster and smoother. Part 1. How long does iCloud backup take? The time needed for an iCloud backup varies based on data size and internet speed. Small backups can finish in minutes, while large ones with many photos, videos, or apps may take hours. The first backup is the longest, since all data is uploaded, but later incremental backups are much faster, usually taking only a few minutes. Here are some key factors that can affect backup speed. Network connection speed. iCloud backups rely on a Wi-Fi connection, so the speed of your network directly impacts backup time. Amount of data being backed up. The total volume of photos, videos, and app data can significantly increase backup time. Device status. If the device is not connected to a power source or has a low battery, backup speed may be affected. Apple server status. In some cases, busy Apple servers may lead to longer backup times. Part 2. How to make iCloud backup faster. If you want to speed up the iCloud backup, you can try the following methods. 2.1. Ensure a stable network connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network and avoid using public Wi-Fi. If the current network speed is slow, you can try switching networks, restarting the router, or resetting network settings. Step 1. Tap on the Settings app on your device, select General, and then scroll to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Step 2. Select Reset from the options. Then, tap on Reset Network Settings. Step 3. You will be prompted to enter your device passcode. Enter it, then confirm that you want to reset the network settings. Step 4. Your device will restart, and the network settings will be reset to factory defaults. 2.2. Clean up unnecessary data. Reducing the amount of backup data can effectively shorten backup time. We can optimize the data by deleting unnecessary apps, videos, and photos. Step 1. Go to Settings General iPhone Storage to view the space occupied by different types of files. Step 2. Cleaning up excess old photos, videos, or unused app data can significantly lighten the backup load. 2.3. Disable unnecessary app backups. You can also disable backups for unnecessary apps, which will significantly reduce backup time. Step 1. Open the Settings app and tap on your profile. Step 2. Select the iCloud option and toggle off the switches for apps that have a lot of files to back up, such as photos. 2.4. Optimize iCloud storage. When iCloud storage space is insufficient, it can not only slow down the backup speed, but may even lead to iCloud backup failures. We can free up space by deleting old backups and unnecessary data. Step 1. Open Settings and tap on your Apple ID at the top. Step 2. Select iCloud, then tap on Manage Storage. Step 3. On this page, check your current iCloud storage usage. Step 4. Review the device backup files and tap Delete Backup to delete backups for old devices or those you no longer need. 2.5. Back up your iPhone regularly. Regular weekly backups keep data manageable and prevent long backup times. They ensure your data stays updated, and incremental backups are faster since iCloud only saves recent changes.